Hi guys, it is Hardware Info channel. Today I will have TCL 40 NxtPaper and I will show you what do when your game not visible in your Google Play Store. When we found our game but we can't install it, we can't do anything with Teamfight Tactics. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of Google Play Store, where we pressed on our photo on the right corner, and now navigate to the settings. In it we choose family and parental controls. In it we have PG3 right now. To download Teamfight Tactics we must change it to PG16. To do that we click on it. Now we must connect our pin to parental control. And now we can change it to PG16. We click on it, confirm by understood, save, and now we have PG16. We can go back to the Teamfight Tactics games, and now we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.